Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I wanted to show you how to make this cute little box. I needed a couple gifts for some little girls. One's turning 8, one is turning 6, and I wanted to make these cute little boxes. So this box measures, it's 1 inch wide, it's 4 inches long, and it's 2 inches this way. So some gift cards, if you turn sideways, can fit, not all of them. But I'm filling this up with some candy and some other treats. But it'd be a perfect little box for holding money. And it's a pretty sturdy little box. And you could decorate it any way you want. So I thought I'd show you. All right, so what you need is you need any designer series paper or cardstock. It doesn't matter. I'm using paper from the, I know the stamp set's the Verdant Garden. I can't remember what it's called. Let's see, Garden Lane maybe Suite. So all the paper in here is different shades of green, lots of different macaron. There's tons of different greens in here. So you need a piece that's 4 inches by 11 inches. And you need some sort of scoring tool. So I have my scoreboard, and it's not going to fit, oops, on the whole screen. So I'm just going to kind of put it up here so you can see the numbers at the top. All right, so you want to put your paper in the long way. And you just want to score it at 1 inch, 5, 6, and 10. Pretty simple. Then rotate it and score it at 1 and 3. And that's it for the scoring. So pop that back in. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is grab my scissors. And this paper makes it kind of hard to see. You might be able to see a little better there. Each corner has a square like this. We just want to take those off. So we're just going to snip away these 4 squares. I can see the score lines pretty well, but I know they're hard for you to see. But whatever paper you use, you should be able to see your score lines. So the 4 squares have to come off. And then we'll go ahead and we will burnish our lines. So I'm going to just grab my bone folder here. So 1, 2, 3, and this last little one, 4. All right. Then we have, see this little square right here in the middle. That's where we need to do our tabs. So we're just going to cut up to the score line. And I like to cut the little pie piece out. That you don't have to, but I think it makes a nicer box. So cut our little pie piece to make a little tab. Like so. And on the other side. Pie piece. And where's my line? There we go. All right, so pull these out. All right, and so our box basically goes together. This is our tabs that go on the inside. So our box comes together like this. So it doesn't really matter what's the front and the back. If the paper you're using does matter, you probably want to have the tabs going over it, have this be the front. All right, so you see how it goes together? So what we want to do, let's open it back up, is we want to put glue on these two. So these are the ones going on the outside. And then on the inside of these two. So I'm going to actually grab my multi-purpose glue. And we're just going to stick some glue. Now, you don't need to saturate these. Remember, it moves. The glue moves around. So a little goes a long way. Okay, so but I want to make sure I have it up around my edges. The multi-purpose glue is perfect for boxes, though. And you have some time to maneuver things around if you need to. All right. So we're going to start with the little tab. So it's a little bit messy, I know, with all the glue, but you just kind of do your best. So this tab is going on the dry side, this one on the dry side. So I just kind of line those up and press those in, you see. And then I'm just going to fold this over. Now, since I'm using the multi-purpose glue, I have a little bit of time to maneuver things around. Unlike if I was using if you remember our old fast fuse, there really was no room to to move things around. So I like to stick that in just to press it down since my fingers can't reach in there. And it looks good. And then to close the box, literally you just do this. It's not anything super exciting. So there's my simple little box. And of course then we have to decorate it. So I have grabbed the Family Party stamp set. This is a photopolymer stamp set. I love it for the numbers, and I wanted to do the number 6. So I have my 6 right here. And I'm going to grab just a little scrap of Whisper White. And I'm actually going to grab some Old Olive ink. And I'm just going to stamp my 6 right there. Cute. Clean that off on the chamois. All right. And that's all I need the ink for. You could decorate yours any way you want. This is just what I'm doing. Then I'm going to grab my 1-inch circle punch. And let's line that up and punch that right out. So there's my 6. Then I have the 1 3/8 inch scallop punch. And I'm going to just grab a scrap of mint macaron. Punch that out. Ooh. Okay. And we're going to go ahead, grab my silicone mat. I've learned to stop doing adhesive right on my desk. The silicone mat is perfect, so then I don't end up with glue everywhere. Okay, and my 6 is going right on here. Perfect. Okay. All right. So I have my mint macaron ribbon. This is the, what is this called? This is called textile ribbon, mint macaron. And I just want to wrap this around my box. You could tie a cute bow. I just did a little knot at the top. I think whatever you decide to do. Let's see, this is the front. Whatever you decide to do, or whatever you think looks cute works. But the thing I love about this designer series paper, this Garden Lane paper, is it uses like 5 different of the greens. I know there's Mossy Meadow, Pear Pizzazz, Old Olive, Mint Macaron. So all the greens aren't quite in this suite, but close to most of them. And I think that's so cool. Because who would have thought mixing greens, you know. But the nice thing about just tying the knot at the top, or a bow, doesn't matter, is it slides on and off. So it doesn't, I can fill the box later. Obviously, I'm going to put something in the box. Okay. All right. And then to decorate, or to stick this on, I want to stick it onto the belly band. I don't want it stuck to the box because I want it to be able to slide on and off. So I'm going to grab the glue dots. And I'm going to grab just some glue dots off, and I'm going to stick one on right onto the ribbon, and another one right onto the ribbon. Then I can stick this 6 right on. And then just to finish it off, because I like a little bling, I have my rhinestones. And I'm just going to stick these right onto my ribbon. 1 and 2. And that is my cute little box. So I have one, and see, I'll be able to slide this right off when I want to fill it. So that'll be easy. So I have one for the 6-year-old and one for the 8-year-old. Super cute, right? Such a simple box. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.